Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Chip.
And I'm Delaney.
And today we are doing our indie highlight. So these are videos that we like to just showcase some indie brands, show them some love, and give you a lot more detail of the company and what they offer and yeah, what we love from them. So yeah, today I will be talking about Certifeye and Delaney will be talking about
Misfit Beauty Co.
Ooh.
To which we have an affiliate code with if you'd like to find it down below. It saves you 10%. If you want it, you don't have to. We make a small commission. It's also fine.
Which then we buy more makeup to review for you, so it's all great. So yeah, so let's start with Certifeye. So this is my purchase from the company. I got the Tropical Wonders palette, which we have used in a video, so check that out and we'll leave it down below as well. But this is an indie brand that Delaney actually introduced me to, and I found like just kind of through Instagram. Actually, all of my indie Delaney introduced me to, so let's just keep that in the back of your mind. There was not one.
Touch Glam was the only one that I hadn't really like heard of, but I had seen.
Yeah.
But I had never purchased
and
from.
That was just like, first indie I saw, I'm buying it.
Have you used them since?
So, Certifeye is it's a UK brand. And
it's okay, take a moment.
I use
Feel
my
the
makeup,
shade.
I swear.
I mean, she has glitter on today, but like, does she use a lot of high-powered shimmers like that all the time?
I don't. I'm a matte person.
Not mad about it.
Yeah. So the founder of Certifeye, her name is Aisha Ali, and she basically created this brand in January of 2016. Not a lot of information available on it, but if you just use some like Google research, then something will come up. They sell worldwide, including Canada and Australia, and of course here in the United States. When we purchased our palettes, I think it took under like 3 weeks to get them, something like that, or like 4 weeks.
When it actually shipped, because like I got the pre-order for the Affinity too, so we had to wait just in general for it to come. But like the actual shipping didn't take long at all.
Didn't take long, yeah, and they really packaged their stuff.
To Chip's surprise, very well.
Yeah, I was like, okay, they're serious. They're serious.
It's not chalky and sad like Toothpaste. We use shit to be broke.
Yeah,
in the store.
And I like it's a different type of shape. Like it's different. Yeah, and the all of their palettes are very bright and bold. Even though they're like green palettes, blue palettes, mixture of palettes, all of their shades in there are like pigmentation galore. They sell makeup and also like grooming products for guys, so like the hair pomades and stuff, which I thought was really cool.
Interesting.
Right? Yeah. I was like, oh, you do more than just makeup.
I'm gonna go buy some pomade.
Yeah, I was like, if this wasn't a wig, okay, I'll try. So for their palettes, they are all in this shape, this rectangular shape, and so since this is a UK brand, they're all priced in pounds. So it's like between 30 to 32 pounds is like their palette range, which I think is like $38 US, something around that.
Yeah, it's like a $3 difference.
Yeah, and then they have lashes. I haven't bought any of their lashes, but they range from 10 to 16 pounds. And their glitters, I think their glitters are what they're mostly known for.
Besides the palettes,
yeah. And their glitters are loose and they come in like little jars, which is adorable. But they are 5 pounds a glitter, and I think you can do like sets. They look pretty large, so I would never like finish a whole jar, so that's nice. They are vegan and cruelty-free, all of their palettes, so that's great as well. And they're pretty heavy on their social media, so Instagram and Twitter. And they're very responsive to their customers, any kind of type of concerns.
Another thing that I just thought was really cool about the palettes is that they're all matte except for the Affinity 2. That one has shimmer and duochromes in it. And then they're releasing an all new palette too. Which Chip's like, do I have money for it? Do I not?
Yeah, they're having a sale for like 30% off. I had to stay strong, you guys. Like, I had to stay off of Instagram, off of their site. So it's like, you're gonna get me. I know it. So
goes on Instagram just to post and immediately.
I know. I'm like, oh god. I think I sent Delaney the snap, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna stay strong, Chip. You don't need all their palettes now that they're all 30% off. You don't need it.
I made the mistake, like right after we had gotten this package, I went and bought the Tropical Wonders.
Yeah.
And the Affinity 1, and so I got them really quick because like neither of those were pre-order, and it was so nice to own all three.
Right, you just feel so good about owning a collection.
Okay, so let's talk about Misfit Beauty Co. So I'm dumb and I don't like write down like when the brand was founded. But I do know that they're handmade, most handmade products in Las Vegas, Nevada, so they are stateside. They do shipping worldwide as well. Their slogan of the company is "Be unapologetically you," which I think is really cool. They are vegan and cruelty-free. They sell a bunch of stuff, so like I'm just gonna list off everything. I didn't like include prices because I feel like their price range is very affordable for, you know, what you would see in the marketplace in general. I don't feel like they upcharge you. I don't feel like they undersell you. I got an array of products from them when I finally got my package. It was really weird. They were doing a sale in like April. I purchased like on the 1st of May and I just got it like 2 weeks ago. Took way too long. They were having like an issue with USPS. Something with their policies changed, and so now like so many people are having to use like DHL, which I think like Halo Beauty, which is Toddy Westbrook's brand, they got fucked up by that too. And like even some of my subscriptions are starting to come through DHL. I'm like,
oh boy. Which
is stupid because they literally just take it to USPS and USPS delivers it to me. Like then it comes super late. But super long side note. So they sell 3D silk lashes, which I have a few pairs. I didn't wear one of their pairs today, but they're the easiest lashes I've ever had to like put on. They have a nice like flat band versus sometimes, you know, they're kind of curved from being woven around, but they keep it really flat and so easy to apply, and they don't like pop off and look weird throughout the day, which I experience sometimes with more rounded lashes. They sell lip gloss and lip balms. If you ever like go onto their Instagram, I'll insert a clip here, but like all of their gloss shots look really pretty. Like I'll show Chip some of them here. So like they're super clear, and like they have some ones that have like some chunky glitters in there if you really like that. They sell loose pigments, which I did pick up a few. I picked up the chameleon pigments because I like a good duochrome shift, and there's this one that I've fallen in love with. It's called Queen Frostine. It's like a baby girl pink and a lime.
Ooh.
It's a highlight that I've been looking for forever. It looks really great on the eyes too, or as a lip topper. You can wear it in so many different ways since it's a loose pigment. They sell eyeshadow palettes. They sell press shadows, loose shadows, press highlights, loose highlights, pigments. They have, and skincare too. They have so many things.
One-stop shop.
Right. They have like so much stuff. They have a collection that's called the Other World palette, and it's based off of the movie Coraline, which I thought was so cool. They did a palette and some highlights that were catered around the color themes in that story. So, you know, they have a really nice blue. They have some yellows. And then they're coming out with a new one now that's based off Edward Scissorhands, and that collection's called Castle on the Hill. I know. I want to see them all together though, because they're showing like clips from the movie and then the eyeshadow color, and so like I want to see all the shades together.
Put together,
Because even though I love Coraline, I did not really enjoy like the color story of the overall palette, so like that's why I didn't pick it up. But like I said, their prices are very affordable. They do sales like all the time. They ask for feedback on their sales, like what you would like to do. And if you're interested in setting up your own affiliate link, they do have an affiliate program. It took me literally 2 seconds to set up. It saves you, like I said, 10%. So I'll link the code down there below, but it's fast times 10. If there's any indie brands that you guys want us to check out or review for you, I have a lot.
She do. And Chip, I'm working on it.
Chip is trying.
I'm trying.
I'm converting her very slowly.
One palette at a time.
Oh my god. One product, one palette.
Yes.
But yeah, leave it down in the comment section if you want us to review any type of brand or talk about ones that we may already own. We've covered a few thus far, which I'll link down below all the other ones that we've done so you can go and see that. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.